what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys my 5-minute makeup routine. Now this is the makeup that I have been doing a lot, pretty much like Monday through Friday. If I'm not like going anywhere or filming, it has been so hot and humid, and I'm just like, I do not feel like putting so much makeup on my face. So this has literally just been what I've been doing lately for the past month and a half. And I keep it pretty simple. So it's only a handful of products, and it only took me about 20-25 minutes to film just because like I'm talking, but I promise you it's pretty quick, it's to the point, and yeah. So if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Alicia. I would love for you to subscribe down below and join our family, and yeah, let's go ahead and let's do 5-minute makeup. Fun fact, my new camera that I was so happy to film with, and I got like 3 videos filmed with, yeah, it's broke. I don't know what happened. I was filming the other day and it just kept freezing on the viewfinder. I called Canon. It's in a box. I have to take it to the UPS store tomorrow, and it takes 5 to 7 days once they get it to either repair it or send me a new one. So yeah, that's just my luck. Like, does anybody else just have the worst luck in the world? Like, I waited so long to get that camera and I get it and this happens. Just my luck. But anyways, so yes, if you notice that the quality isn't like up to par as it's been in previous videos, that's why. I'm back on my old camera. So yeah. Okay, so the only thing that I have on my face right now is my under eye moisturizer. I always put my under eye cream on whether I wear makeup or not, just because I just don't want crow's feet, you know what I mean? I'm getting older, I just don't want any wrinkles under there. It's bad enough I have like, you know, darkness and like hollowness under here, so I want to keep the wrinkles at bay. I just have on my Ole Henriksen. It's the Banana Bright Eye Cream. I always use this. So to prep my skin, I use my Wet n Wild. This is the cucumber one. This is a 3-in-1 primer water. So you can use it to prep your skin, set your skin, and just like kind of refresh throughout the day. So I use this to prep my skin. So that's what we're gonna do. Just a couple. Oh yeah. That's a nice mister on this. I want to get the coconut one because I feel like a lot of people like that one, and I love the smell of coconut. I hate coconut, like the actual like coconut food, but anything coconut, I'm a sucker for. So first thing I do is actually foundation, just because if I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, I at least just want my skin to be even, because obviously, as you guys can see, it's not. I have a lot of acne scarring, a lot of redness, a lot of discoloration. So honestly, foundation's key to me. If I'm gonna put one thing on my face, it's gonna be foundation. And what I've been doing is I've been using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I like this because it's a thicker consistency and it's pretty full coverage, which I like and I need. So to kind of thin this foundation out so it doesn't look so heavy, I've been mixing it with my L'Oreal, the Infallible Pro Glow, which this combo right now is like so good for me because I'm getting the coverage, but this just shears it out a little bit and makes it a little bit obviously glowy, because this is more of like a glowy, dewier foundation. So these two mix are like bomb.com. I take just the littlest amount of that, and I just like put it on a candle lid here, and I will just mix it together. I'm just gonna take it on my e.l.f. sponge here and just work this in. Like I said, I just feel like I get really good coverage because of the NYX foundation, but then I get a little bit of like glow, and it doesn't look so heavy because that NYX is a pretty heavy, thick formula. So I like to just like shear that out. But like seriously, do you guys see like such a difference just like a foundation does? Like I would literally just like walk out the door like this. And you know what? I'm looking at this and I forgot to do my lids. Okay, so after I put my foundation on, I'll then just put a little bit of concealer, and this one is the Maybelline. This is the Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade Sand, which is 20, and I like this because it's not super, you're not gonna get like, you know, super full coverage with this. You'll get some great coverage, but obviously I think there's, you know, definitely foundations that, or I'm sorry, concealers that cover more than this, but I like it because it's lightweight and it just blends out like super easily. So I just go down like the bridge of my nose, Like, I don't feel like I have to spend a lot of time like blending this out. But to set my under eyes, I already have it in here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade number 10. And I don't do a full-on bake. I just take a little bit and I just press it in, like right under my eyes. I don't do a full-on bake and let it sit there and wipe it away. I pretty much just tap it until it pretty much like disappears. So again, just a little bit. And I just tap, tap, tap until it's all gone. I always have to set my concealer, just like with my under eyes how they are. It's just, I have to do that. And like, look, I look like so much better. Like, if you just have like nice skin, I feel like that just makes such a difference. You know what I mean? But yes, I love that, and I love this for every day. And to bronze, I'm going in with my Becca. This is the Bronze Bondi, and nothing too crazy. I just go right like the outer portion. Just like right here. And honestly, on the daily, I will not even put blush on. I just put the bronzer on and I call it a day. For my mascara, I'm going in with my Too Faced. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. I keep meaning to try the new one, the Damn Girl one, but I don't have that yet, so I'm just going to use this just to give me a little something something, you know. Like, look what that does for me. Just like opens up my eyes like just a little bit, and it's just so nice. I love this mascara. So that is it for the eyes and the mascara. I only put the mascara on the top lashes just because I feel like it helps like awaken me and make me look like I got some sleep, and I don't really put it on the bottom at all. I don't like how mascara looks on my lower lashes without any shadow on there, so I just keep the mascara on the top lashes and that's it. I will fill in my brows just a little bit, and I'll only use a powder for that, just so it's like really quick, and I feel like it's less, there's less room for error when you use a shadow as opposed to like a pencil or a pomade. So you guys know I love my Wet n Wild. This is the Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown. So what I'll do is just take an angled brush and just kind of fill in the sparse areas. Like this brow I feel like is thicker than this one, and this is like my more hooded eye. Like just strokes. And I really don't care about like the shape either when I'm doing like, you know, a really quick makeup look. I'll just like fill them in really quickly and, you know, just call it a day. So I really don't care what the shape really even like looks like. I just kind of follow my natural shape. I don't have like a lot of arch in my brow naturally, so I just kind of mimic what's there and just roll with it. So then I'll just take some I feel like filling it in the front really, really helps, and that's kind of where I really focus the product on. So I do like to take just a little bit of highlighter, and this one is from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome in Molten Gold, and I don't do my sponge trick. I just take it on a brush and just very lightly just give me a little bit of something. I feel like highlight makes it look like you tried. You know what I mean? Now for lips, I like to do a lip also. I don't have like a lot of color naturally in my lips, so I do like to add a little bit of that, and I always use a liner. Like, it doesn't matter what the occasion is, whether it's a bold lip, a neutral lip, I always use a lip liner because I just feel like it helps make my lips look a little bit bigger than what they really are, and I just feel like it holds in the product and just helps the lip product last a little bit longer. If you don't know, I do love the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. This one I'm going to use today is in Stockholm. And then I also mentioned in my everyday makeup routine, I always use the Milani lip liners. This one's smudged off. I think this is either Nude or Spice, one of the two. It's number 9, whatever that one is. But I like this just because it's a very natural lip color, and that's what I go for, you know, like on a no makeup day. I say no makeup day, like we have makeup on, but you know what I mean. So I just line my lips. And then I'll follow up with the NYX lip cream, and I love these. This is such a great formula for like every day. I feel like these will last so long, especially with a lip liner, and I just feel like I never have to touch up when I wear these that much, so I'm trying to talk and do this. No, I just love these. Like, I just love them so much. And then one final step that I do like to do, but be careful doing it, I like once my mascara dries to go back in with the curler and kind of lift them and curl them just a little bit more, but you want to be very careful with this. I've been doing this for so long, but you literally, I just give it like a couple pumps here. And you want to make sure your lashes are dry or else they're going to stick. And I pull it up. And like, I don't know if you can see the difference because I'm looking in here and not the monitor, but I just feel like it adds just a little bit more like drama. So I like to do that, but like I said, don't you dare try to do this with your mascara like still wet. You want to make sure that that dries before you do this, and just be very careful removing that, and you'll be fine. You won't rip your lashes out. It's just a matter of being very careful. And I'm gonna go back in with that Wet n Wild 3-in-1 primer and do that. And because I'll probably be usually in a hurry, I'll just go in here and just fan myself off. So guys, this concludes this 5-minute makeup tutorial. Like I said, it's super easy, just what, a handful of products, and yeah, this is how I roll, you know, Monday through Friday when I'm not filming or going anywhere. And I just want to look like a little bit put together, not so, you know, scary in the morning. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though honestly it's probably not the best quality, but you know, I just didn't want to go without filming a video for you guys, so I wanted to share my everyday 5-minute makeup face, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're new here and this is your first time here, hi, my name is Alicia. I would love for you to subscribe and join our family down below. And do I have anything else I want to tell you guys about? No, I think that's it. This is so weird. I'm used to filming for like so many hours, you know, just like with the whole, you know, getting it set up and getting yourself together, but like that, yeah, this 5-minute makeup, this is me. This is me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.